If you're like me, then you're a creative with a passion for DIY. But what if I told you you could replace your income with your passion for creating products? I've made multiple six figures with my passion for creating handmade hair care products, but that's not where I started. I did what I was supposed to do, what was expected of me. I went to college, I graduated on time, I worked a bunch of part-time jobs until I could find the right 9-to-5 job that made me feel like I was living a life of purpose. That was important to me. And I did just that. I loved the community I was serving. My job was pretty easy, but I felt extremely stressed in my body. And I didn't understand why. I started getting really bad headaches from grinding my teeth. I got a mouth guard to stop the grinding, so my headaches were gone. But then I started making fists and bending my wrists as I slept, and I would wake up with sore wrists. This wrist never fully recovered. I couldn't figure out why stress was manifesting in my body. Why am I stressed? I'm doing what I want to do, right? I'm working a job of purpose. I was providing resources for high functioning but severely mentally ill people. I loved them. It was rewarding to see when I helped someone get enrolled into school or get a new job, or even just giving them an ear to listen. So while I was working a job of purpose, it wasn't my purpose. I'm a creative and I'm an educator. I ended up experiencing something really traumatic in my personal life, and it led me to quit my job abruptly. After about a month of laying in my bed, I decided it was time to pivot. I'd already dabbled in selling handmade hair accessories and selling head wraps, but I decided it was time for me to go all in and pursue my big dream of creating a hair care line. I have a deep love for organic ingredients and herbs and oils and infusions and things like that. So I knew this would bring me joy. And here I am today, many six-figure years in. So you might be thinking, okay, Keisha, that's great for you, but I don't know enough about business or product creation to succeed. But did you know that many successful entrepreneurs began with little to no formal business education or prior experience? Passion and willingness to learn can often outweigh expertise, especially when it comes to problem solving and creativity. You also might be thinking, what if I fail and lose all my money? Did you know that many successful small businesses started with a very minimal upfront investment? I started with under $1,000, and so did the Lip Bar, and so did Yankee Candle. They started with $100 investment. Now this is a big one that I hear a lot. You might be thinking, the market is too oversaturated for me to succeed. A saturated market indicates a high demand for the products. So if so many people are buying similar products, they'll likely buy yours too if marketed effectively. Differentiation is key. Many companies thrive in competitive markets by finding a niche or offering unique value. So does this sound like you? Are you lacking business knowledge? Confused about legal or financial requirements? Are you lacking confidence in presenting a brand professionally? Do you feel overwhelmed doing everything on your own? You don't understand social media strategy, content creation, SEO, or running ads? Are you uncertain about profitability? You have no access to mentors or coaches or supportive networks? If any of that sounds like you, then I'd like to introduce you to From Passion to Profit, how I built my six-figure DIY product business and how you can too. Are you ready to turn your passion for crafting into a thriving business? Whether you're just starting or you're looking to elevate your side hustle, this program is for you. This is the roadmap you've been searching for. With this course, you'll be equipped to launch a successful product-based business with confidence and clarity. Identify your unique niche and attract your ideal customers. Build a memorable brand that stands out in a crowded market. Implement cost-effective strategies to generate consistent sales. Create a step-by-step plan to grow your business sustainably. Overcome challenges like fear, competition, and limited resources. And most of all, turn your passion into a profitable and fulfilling career. You can gain lifetime access to this course of 5 modules with over 20 video lessons, with new lessons being added every month. You'll also get bonus challenges and access to a community portal where you can ask questions about the content in the course and networking with other like-minded entrepreneurs. And if you want one-on-one attention with me, you can book private coaching sessions. I love living in my purpose, fulfilling my passions for creation and education, and you can too. Feel free to reach out to me directly with any inquiries you may have. I'll see you inside.